Welcome friend to this video where we shall explain Gyan Mudra. We will explain the symptoms and the diseases cured by this Gyan Mudra, how to do Gyan Mudra and other benefits of Gyan Mudra. Before we proceed ahead, please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends and families. Here is the summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are Tattva mudras and 5 are Pranic mudras. One can create many more mudras by combining fingers and the thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya mudra. Little finger gives us Indra mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun mudra. We shall talk about Gyan mudra. This Gyan mudra is formed by joining the tip of the index finger with the tip of the thumb, and you keep all the other three fingers straight and upright, just like shown in this picture. This mudra is also known as Saraswati mudra. This mudra is preferably done along with the Padmasana, and when you do Padmasana, keep the back of your hand on your knees and open up the face of your palm towards the sky. God Krishna used this mudra while giving Gita discourse to Arjun. This is the best mudra for meditation also. Benefits of Gyan mudra. First of all, this mudra energizes your brain. It increases mental focus. That's why it is used when you are doing meditation. It also boosts your memory. This mudra increases your IQ level and increases your intuition. This mudra reduces anger, reduces tension and the stress. This mudra helps in heart diseases, depression, headaches, migraines, diabetes, insomnia, toothaches, epilepsy, dementia, Alzheimer's disease and others. This mudra improves the glow on your face and improves your good looks. It reduces addiction of alcohol and smoking and some other addictions as well. This mudra reduces hyperactivity in children as well. For better effect in headaches, you can do Gyan mudra along with another mudra called as Pran mudra. Mudras can be done any time of the day and in any position. For example, while you are sitting, standing, watching TV, or when you are walking. Mudras can be done with one hand or both hands. However, doing mudras simultaneously with both the hands is generally more effective. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed or if suitable, these mudras can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day. Mudras done along with the deep breathing show quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya mudra, which improves digestion. 2 different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras simultaneously in different hands. For example, Prithvi mudra increases weight of our body, so it should not be done with the Surya mudra, which decreases the weight of our body. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.